I'm sorry, I can't be the only one who looks at their camera and thinks, this thing costs more than my weekly groceries. If it broke tomorrow, could I actually afford to replace it? Or would insurance even cover it? Here's everything you need to know about camera insurance as a professional photographer and someone just snapping for fun. Okay, so the federal government's Money Smart website says it's worth considering insurance if the cost would seriously impact your finances. So, if you couldn't afford to replace your camera setup tomorrow, insurance might be worth it. Now let's look at some real-world scenarios where having insurance for your camera might be helpful. Let's say you accidentally drop your camera or spill a drink over it while uploading images. If you have contents insurance with Youi and your camera is for personal use only, not business, you might have the option to add contents accidental loss or damage to your policy. That means it's covered for accidental damage that happens away from home. But what happens if your camera falls off a gondola in Venice or is damaged when dropped from a train in Shanghai? If you've added Youi's accidental loss or damage optional cover to your policy, your camera is covered worldwide, even while traveling on the maglev. The maglev is the world's first commercial high-speed magnetic levitation train. What's really cool about this train is that it floats above the track using powerful electromagnets. As a professional photographer, your camera might not be classified as a personal item, so you may want to consider Youi Small Business Insurance with portable business item cover. Then you can list high-value items over $2,500 individually and have them covered anywhere in the world. To check out insurance for your camera with Youi, snap up a quote in the description below. And for more real-world explainers like this, hit subscribe.